So this is a quick lesson in the Teka glass hob cooktop. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you're traveling and you find yourself in an apartment with one of these cooking apparatuses, here's a quick lesson in how to use it because the videos that are online that I found weren't very helpful. So right here, this is the on-off switch, and you have to hold it down pretty firmly. And once you do it, it's going to make a little beep, and then you are free to turn on the heat either on the front burner here, or here's the back burner, and the back burner controls are over here. So basically, I believe this lock key is probably, to keep you from turning it on accidentally. This is the key that you want. So let's press this down. See the beep? Now I want to increase the heat, and you do it in increments. You can go up to 9, and same over here. You can increase it, but you have to start doing something within 10 seconds or it's going to not work for you. So here are the burners, they're warming up. You can of course bring the heat down by pressing the minus button, and I believe if you press both buttons at once, yep, it goes to 0. So press both buttons simultaneously, goes to 0. Now notice that it has the letter H there. You can turn this off while that H is there to let you know that those burners are still hot. You don't want to touch them. And they will remain hot with the H symbol here until it has finally cooled down. And that is probably all you need to know if this is not your unit and you just want to heat something up on it. All right, good luck.